Hello, my name is Tyler. Today I'm going to be speaking about the key activities, the key partners, and the key resources of our company. Starting off as preparation for our business before we open doors and officially start. There's two activities that we have chosen that we need to have in place to be ready to roll. The first one is to have thorough training for our presenters to get them prepared, and second, fully functioning website. As a company, we won't get too far without a powerful presentation. And so training is our first priority before we open those doors, giving our presenters the knowledge and experience matched with effective training on how to give a professional and powerful presentation. So that's our first thing that we want to do. The second one is prepare our website that we can refer people to as we gain new customers, as well as send those that we present to go to our website for further learning and to more information. As far as key partners, it's essential that we work together with not only our company, the employees in our company, but also with those that we partner up, like schools, universities, as well as different businesses that will be working with their administration. And so our U.S. school districts, we plan on having them as a major partner to refer us to public schools that need mental illness education and different presentations according with that. Local hospitals, local health centers will really give us credibility as we team up with them, as well as we'll have a place to send people that need help. Um, the last on the key partners is our federal and state government. They will be essential as we look for funding through our grants. Um, Last but not least, key resources. There's some key resources that really sets us up for success really well. These include human, intellectual, financial, and physical resources. Our main source for presenters will be interns that are majoring in the health field at Brigham Young University of Idaho. Our intellectual resource, our major one will be our non-disclosure agreements. Everyone loves those because it really gives people a feeling of safety and just confidence knowing that no one will be discussing any of the information that we listen to or hear about. Financial resources include the government grants that we have. Fortunately, the government has grants in place for nonprofit organization like ours, and so that works perfect for us. Physical resources include our location. Our major one is we live in Rexburg, and so it really sets us up for good location right by the Madison Hospital, different health centers, as well as gives a very inexpensive cost according for our real estate for our office, and so we'll be working out of there. But yeah, thanks for listening.